Join me as I challenge myself to uncover Amsterdam's hidden waterways and see what secrets they hold. Welcome to our exploration of Amsterdam's hidden waterways, where we'll take you on a journey through the lesser-known canals and their fascinating histories. Many visitors stick to the popular canals, missing out on the unique beauty and stories that lie in the hidden waterways of the city. They flock to the main streets, following the crowds, and never get to experience the real essence of Amsterdam. The hidden waterways are a different world, full of charming surprises and unexpected delights. From tiny bridges to quaint houseboats, these secret spots are waiting to be discovered. And that's exactly what we're going to do today: venture off the beaten path and explore the unseen Amsterdam. As we wander through the city's lesser-known canals, you'll start to notice the difference in atmosphere. It's quieter, more peaceful, and somehow more authentic. The popularity of the main canals can be overwhelming, but here, you can truly connect with the city's history and culture. We'll take our time, enjoying the scenery, learning about the canal's origins, and soaking up the unique vibe of each spot. By the end of this video, you'll have a new appreciation for Amsterdam's hidden waterways and the secrets they hold. We'll explore several secret spots, discussing their significance, the types of wildlife you might see, and the best ways to access these hidden gems. From the picturesque Oesterduct to the tranquil canals of the Jordaan, each spot has its own story to tell. We'll delve into the history of the Amsterdam Canal system, learning about the city's growth and development over the centuries. We'll talk about the types of plants and animals that call these waterways home, and share some insider tips on how to make the most of your visit. As we explore the Oesterduct, you'll notice the stunning contrast between the modern architecture and the centuries-old canal. This was once a bustling industrial area, but today, it's a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. We'll take a closer look at the historic warehouses, now converted into trendy bars and restaurants, and explore the picturesque walking paths that line the canal. Keep an eye out for the local wildlife, including swans, ducks, and even the occasional fish. Next, we'll make our way to the charming canals of the Jordaan, known for their quintessential Amsterdam atmosphere. These narrow waterways are lined with beautiful old buildings, each one unique and full of character. We'll learn about the history of the Jordaan, how it came to be, and the role it played in Amsterdam's development. And of course, we'll share some insider tips on the best spots to grab a coffee or a bite to eat. As we reach our most breathtaking hidden spot, we'll share a surprising story that connects the past to the present, revealing why this location is worth visiting. This stunning spot is steeped in history, with roots dating back to the 17th century. It's a place where ancient traditions meet modern innovation, and you'll get to experience it all firsthand. From the stunning architecture to the fascinating stories, this spot will leave you awestruck. The surprise is the Picturesque, a hidden canal that's been a favorite among locals for centuries. This spot is steeped in Amsterdam's maritime history, with historic warehouses and wharfs that date back to the Golden Age. But what makes it truly special is the unique connection to the city's famous coffee trade. You'll learn about the entrepreneurs who shaped the industry, and how their legacy continues to inspire innovation today. In summary, Amsterdam's hidden waterways offer a different perspective on the city, enriching your experience beyond the typical tourist paths. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to check out our other videos on unique travel destinations, and let us know your favorite hidden spots in the comments below.